When making hot sauce, your primary concern should always be safety. Let's get started.
First, we start out with our glass container. I usually use dried peppers for this, as they are more sustainable long term. In this case, I'm using habaneros. Then go ahead and add in all your spices, whatever you decided to choose. You can add almost anything. Here, I'm using oregano, cilantro, salt, mustard powder, and onion powder. Next, we move on to our liquid. For this, I'm using equal amounts of water and vinegar. You can measure these out several ways, but it is much more precise if you use a kitchen scale. I forgot to mention one last ingredient, which to me is just as important as the peppers. That ingredient is garlic. Lots and lots of garlic. Once you are done adding your ingredients, go ahead and put the lid on and give it a good shake. Now we're ready to put the mixture in the fridge for at least a day or two and let the dried peppers rehydrate. Now that our mixture is ready, we'll go ahead and turn it into hot sauce. Start by pouring the mixture into a blender and blend it until extremely smooth. This is where you need to use extra caution and avoid touching anything without washing your hands. Depending on how hot the peppers are, they can cause extreme irritation when inhaled or contact is made with your skin. To make a much thinner sauce, we can pour our mixture into either a food mill or mesh strainer until no more liquid comes out. At this point, we are ready to bring our sauce up to a temperature of 155 degrees Fahrenheit for at least 15 seconds to kill any potentially harmful bacteria. While our sauce comes up to temp, I add a small amount of xanthan gum to the sauce as an emulsifier. This will prevent the liquids in our hot sauce from separating. Now we're ready to bottle our sauce. A simple funnel makes this a much easier task to accomplish. Pour your sauce into sterilized bottles, which can be done by boiling your bottles for about 10 minutes. Once all your bottles are full, put in your drip caps and screw the lids on tight. I then store my bottles upside down until they cool as an extra measure to sterilize the lids. There you have it, a bottle of your very own hot sauce.
So, what would a good hot sauce video be without somebody taste testing it? I'm a little afraid of this one. Unfortunately, what I finished in this video was not my habanero hot sauce, but is the hottest hot sauce I made ever. And I believe I'm going to call it the COVID killer. Oh, that's going to burn for a while. Well, thanks for watching. I need some milk.